Not too many days left this year to get your 2019 jump started, so I suggest maybe today because tomorrow the clouds thicken up more and then it could rain. But get ready for 2020. It could come in quite wet on Tuesday night and Wednesday. Right now it's climbing through the 60s if you're headed out for lunch. Not a bad day to be out for lunch. Not much wind out there. The clouds are already starting to increase though. The high clouds gradually thickening. But no rain with those clouds today, but that will definitely change within about the next 36 hours. Satellite radar does show dry weather across South Texas. A couple sprinkles way offshore, but looking for those clouds to start to thicken more and more this evening and tonight. Farther off to the west, there's a storm system approaching all the way out in California, offshore in the Pacific Ocean there. As that storm system spins across northern Mexico and starts to pull up more moisture, that's really going to ramp up the rain chance. And wouldn't you know it, it would be just the time when you're going to have fun on New Year's night. So I've tried to put a line graph together here to give you an idea of how sharply the rain chances will increase. This is looking at Tuesday, tomorrow, beginning at about noon through Wednesday on New Year's Day. If you follow the line, we're only at about a 20% chance for rain most of the midday tomorrow, noon, 2 o'clock or so, and then the rain chance gradually increases a bit. But notice the dash line right here is midnight. At that point, that's when the rain chances start to go up in a hurry. So it's possible you may start a New Year's party tomorrow, and it might be sprinkling, might be just a couple of showers, but at some point, a couple hours later, maybe right around midnight or later, it could start to rain more and more and get heavier. And then the rest of the night and into Wednesday could be quite wet with some rain, maybe even a few flashes of lightning. Not severe thunderstorms, but maybe just some ordinary thunderstorms mixed with the rain late at night Tuesday and into the day on Wednesday. Here's the way it looks on the map. Mostly sunny or partly sunny skies around the valley this afternoon and dry conditions. By tonight, clouds start to thicken up more late tonight and then on Tuesday, and then it's bye-bye sunshine on Tuesday, just more clouds. And notice how most of Tuesday, again, looking pretty dry. Might be a little sprinkle in here in the early afternoon, but through 4 p.m., not much going on. So you might be thinking, yeah, pretty safe. I'll start that party. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll start that party. And then by 10 p.m., a couple of sprinkles and showers may start to increase, and you're thinking, it's just a little rain. Won't hurt anything. And then later at night, then the rain really comes. And then while you're trying to clean up everything at 3 a.m., it could be raining kind of hard. Maybe not precisely at that time, but very close, I think. Somewhere around midnight or a little bit later, the rain will start to increase tomorrow night. So, and a steady rain, too, a kind of heavy rain, not just sprinkles all night. It could rain fairly hard. So Wednesday morning, I doubt you'll be up at 6 a.m., but if you are, New Year's Day could wake up to a lot of rain still falling around the valley and then fade away a little more later in the afternoon. So probably want to sleep that one off on Wednesday. Could be kind of wet driving around on Wednesday, so maybe try to get home a little early on Tuesday night if you don't like all the rain, just in case it does get quite heavy out there. Future Track, I want to show you what it says for rain. Again, during the day on Tuesday, and not much going on. Rainfall amounts almost nothing all the way through 11 p.m. See, it shows barely anything. But then, again, that time period, right around where you're just about to have fun. You're watching the ball drop on the East Coast, Ryan Seacrest out there doing his thing or whatever, and then here it comes in the valley, though, late at night. It just starts to pour in on us. So, again, the overnight hours on Tuesday night, especially toward midnight or later, could start to get kind of wet as rain comes up from the south. And Future Track is showing over an inch of rain, or almost 2 inches of rain, just between midnight and 7 a.m. So, again, it could kind of let loose on us Tuesday night, just about the time when you're having fun at your party. But dry weather today, 40% chance of showers tomorrow, 90% on Wednesday. But again, the line right there at about midnight is where it's really going to start to kick in, it looks like. So your New Year's Eve, kind of break it down for you one more time. Showers increasing later Tuesday evening. And again, it may be kind of very light initially, but then the rain becomes more widespread toward around midnight or a little later and picks up in intensity. So at midnight, there may not be much water, but right after that, it's going to probably start to increase more and more as the night goes on. So up to about 1 to 3 inches of rain, mostly after midnight and during the day on Wednesday. So again, the later you stay out on New Year's night, the better chance you have of getting wet and driving in more rain. So your New Year's Eve plans, around 63 degrees at 9 p.m., 60 degrees at midnight. At least the temperatures won't be super cold when you're getting rained on, but make sure to have an alternate plan to duck indoors if it does get pretty wet around then. 70 degrees today in your first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. 60s tomorrow and New Year's Day. But remember, rain and thunderstorms most likely Tuesday night and Wednesday. And then beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sunshine Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll keep tracking it for you here on Channel 5 News at noon.